now let's talk about blockchain development learning part कि हमने अगर let's say development अपनी if we want to become a developer then हमारे लिए learning path क्या होना चाहिए. सबसे पहले learn about the fundamentals of the blockchain. ये तो very necessary है. सबसे पहले आपको fundamental concepts clear करने की जरूरत होती है. Understand how different blockchain elements work and get acquainted with their definitions. For example, start with learning about mining process, blocks, nodes, tokens, decentralized applications, blah blah blah. So ये वो सारे concepts हैं या वो words हैं जो हम सुनते हैं अक्सर, but we need to understand the bits and bytes behind those words. Study about elements relating to blockchain's working methods such as smart contracts, protocols, APIs, ABIs, consensus processes and stuff. So सबसे पहले आप जैसे एक किसी भी बंदे को जब आपने कोई नई लैंग्वेज सिखानी होती है तो सबसे पहले आप उसको वर्ड्स सिखाते हैं. वर्ड्स के बाद फिर आप उसको सेंटेंसेस और सेंटेंसेस का स्ट्रक्चर सिखाते हैं. तो द सेम थिंग हेयर ब्लॉकचेन में सबसे पहले आप अपने जो वर्ड्स हैं उनके पीछे वोकैबुलरी अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं क्या है, देन प्रोसेसेस एंड प्रोटोकॉल्स को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि ये जो चीजें हैं ये आपस में कनेक्ट कैसे होती हैं, and then learn about cryptocurrencies and crypto assets to understand their differences. तो cryptocurrency लोग सबसे ज्यादा blockchain को cryptocurrency के साथ mix कर देते हैं, but cryptocurrency is totally different thing. जबकि हमारे पास एक और concept भी है crypto assets. That means ये currency नहीं है. We can put any medical record or any other record into the blockchain. तो उनको हम crypto assets कहते हैं. So you actually clearly need to learn and understand the difference between these two. Then next step, analyze the different blockchain platforms. Learn about different type of blockchain technology. Primarily there are 5 types. 5 तरह के जो हैं blockchain platforms हैं. Permissioned, permissionless, federated, public and private blockchains. We already talked about public and private one. Permissionless बहुत clearly visible हैं कि अगर आप permission देना चाहते हैं to see the whole blockchain to someone तो वो permissioned है, otherwise permissionless है. Analyze where you can use every type of blockchain technology. Focus on specific industries. अगर आप blockchain developer बनना चाह रहे हैं तो start के ऊपर आपको specific industries के ऊपर focus करना होगा ताकि और उनमें अपनी applications को ढूंढना होगा blockchain की application क्या है. Because you understand how these various types are beneficial and also take note for those shortcomings. Their shortcomings. So, and the next step is get familiar with distributed ledger fundamentals. Understand different distributed ledger technologies other than blockchain, such as IOTA, Hedera, Hashgraph stuff, and learn about cryptography and how public and private cryptography works. Dissect how enterprise companies are utilizing distributed ledgers, and then dissect the architecture of the blockchain technology. तो dissection mean like dissect का word मैंने इस जगह से लिया जब आप like I am from biology background, so वहाँ पे हमारे पास we used to dissect some animal like manticore or something like that to examine what is cooking inside his stomach and like digestion system and stuff. So that dissect means आपको अपनी blockchain technology जो भी चीज आप use कर रहे हैं architecture and stuff उसको dissect करना है, आपने उसके components खोल कर देखने हैं what exactly is going on behind the scene. This is now become the next step. आपने initial अपनी understanding जब अपनी complete कर ली है तो then after that you have to dissect the architecture of the blockchain technology, comprehend the core elements of the enterprise blockchain platforms, especially their architectural patterns such as Hyperledger, Corda, or Ethereum, and then study proper platform on the market and read their white papers to analyze their working process. So, and then lastly, learn from tutorials that our enterprise blockchain company or platform is providing. You can find these stuff over the YouTube or Udemy or the other places like that. And then lastly, like the next thing is work on your cross-discipline broad skills. Problem solving and creative thinking abilities can go a long way in fixing any issues faster. ये मैं हमेशा सबको कहता हूँ, regardless of the blockchain, you should be working on your problem solving skills and creative thinking skills, and start working on your leadership skills as well to lead a team in developing blockchain roadmaps. So leadership skills are always a plus to have. are not necessary kind of, मगर अगर आप leadership skills polish कर सकते हैं, that is very great. Learn to use blockchain development tools. Blockchain development tools are beneficial for using in a solution development as they can save time and effort. Start with using MetaMask. MetaMask is very popular thing. आज ही जाके सब लोग अपने Chrome browser में MetaMask install करें and then just make one wallet or something like that. अगर आपके पास already है, then you are one step ahead. Go ahead and then start exploring things further. Drizzle, Parity, Truffle. So Drizzle, Parity, and Truffle are good to have, but MetaMask at least is kind of necessary. जैसे आज हमारे पास सबके पास मोबाइल फोन है, सबके पास माइट बी इजी पैसा का अकाउंट भी हो, जाज कैश का अकाउंट भी हो, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, या एटलीस्ट हमारे सबके पास एक उबर की या क्रीम की ऐप इंस्टॉल होती है. इवन इफ वी ओन अ कार, स्टिल वी यूज टू हैव दैट. या फूड पांडा की एक ऐप तो लाजमी होती है हमारे पास. जिस तरह फूड पांडा की ऐप हमारे पास लाजमी है, इसी तरह से वी नीड टू हैव अ मेटामास्क वॉलेट एट लीस्ट फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, लर्न अबाउट द टूल्स वन बाय वन, अगेन कॉन्फिडेंस इन यूजिंग देम. Blockchain templates can help in developing creative strategies specifically suited for a company. So learn, master various programming language. Yeah, at least one. Start with one and then you can go more. Learn about various programming languages necessary for developing blockchain solutions like C++, Solidity. C++ मैंने इसलिए सबसे पहले रखा है क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटीज में हमें C++ एटलीस्ट पढ़ाई जाती है. So C++, Solidity, Go, JavaScript, Python. So अगर आपके पास आपको C++ नहीं आती है तो हो सकता है जावा पढ़ाई गई हो आपको, तो यू कैन गो विद जावा, बट स्टार्ट लर्निंग सॉलिडिटी एटलीस्ट. एंड अगर आपको कोई और प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती है तो गो विद जावास्क्रिप्ट at the very beginning and then move on to the other languages. Practice every day. Like you don't have to go slow. You have to practice it every day to perfect your skills and work on languages to avoid any confusions. अब बात करते हैं इन्वोजोन की. इन्वोजोन इज बिल्डिंग अप इट्स ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपमेंट टीम और डिपार्टमेंट ऑल टुगेदर एंड वी आर एमिंग टू हायर 100+ डेवलपर्स, हायर और ट्रेन वट एवर इट इज, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान की इंडस्ट्री में ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर्स नहीं है. ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर्स, फाइंडिंग ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर इज वेरी कम्प्लेक्स. इवन इट इज नॉट पाकिस्तान, इट इज ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. मैंने जैसे पहले बताया कि 45,000 टोटल डेवलपर्स अभी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं ब्लॉकचेन के. So Invozone is planning to hire or train 100+ developers within next 1 year. So ये 100 developers की जो recruitment हमारी plan है, that is for next 1 year, and we want to hire full-time developers. And if you see 1 year, 1+ year experience, it can be 1 year during the university time as well. अगर आप अपनी university time में इसको polish करते रहें, skills को polish करते रहे हैं, तो you can go with 1 year experience. Like you might have 1 year experience so far, and even for the sake of this session, अगर कोई कुछ लोग जो हैं वो sharp हैं with their problem solving skills and their creative skills and their leadership skills and they are eager to learn blockchain, we can even like purge this 1 year experience thing from this position, and then we can offer them the blockchain developer position as well. That might be an associate blockchain developer position, but we are too much eager into hiring a lot of blockchain people. Invozone is in search of like experienced blockchain developers who will be not be experienced, so that will also work. So if you guys are interested to get into this position at Invozone, just write an email and send it to careers@invozone.com. Don't forget to attach your resume or CV, whatever it is, and then send this email, or go and check our LinkedIn and Facebook pages for more updates. We will keep posting more blockchain positions in the near future.